What's going on, guys? My name is Wade with TechDaily. So summertime is right around the corner, and unfortunately, my swimming pool is far from ready. In fact, it's actually really freaking dirty. My friends at Dreame heard about my plight and sent over their Z1 Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner to help me out. And let's just say that I'm perfectly happy to let this thing do all the dirty work. Now, Dreame was kind enough to sponsor this video, but I didn't let their Z1 Pro off easy. In fact, my pool was significantly dirtier than most people's would probably ever get, but Dreame's robotic pool cleaner was able to tackle the job, and quite a bit better than I was even expecting, I might add. The Z1 Pro is great for three main reasons, in my opinion. One, it's integrated with Dreame's PoolSense technology that allows the robot to clean irregular shaped pools, like mine, locate itself throughout the cleaning task while avoiding objects and obstacles, and complete various types of cleaning, like floor level cleaning, the pool sides, and the water line, amongst many other smart features. Two, the Z1 Pro is the most powerful robotic pool cleaner on the market, with 8,000 gallons per hour of suction power, and dual brushless pump motors that not only propel it around the pool with ease, but also allow it to collect up debris both big and small. And three, with a 9600 mAh battery, it can clean for up to 4 hours straight on a single charge, and it charges using a simple magnetic hookup, which can be easily wiped dry, making it safe to recharge and quick to drop back into the water to complete its cleaning tasks if necessary. If you want to learn more about the Dreame Z1 Pro robotic pool cleaner, I'll leave some links down below in the video description to Dreame's website. You can also save 15% and snag an additional 10% off using the code on screen to get your pool ready for summer. Setting up the Z1 Pro is super simple. If you're familiar with Dreame's other products like their robot vacuums, then you'll feel right at home. Just connect the Z1 Pro via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to your phone within Dreame's app, and you're pretty much good to go. Make sure the robot is charged up to 100%, and then simply drop it in your pool and away it goes. The first time it dives in, it'll both clean and map your pool, which is great. Not only is it learning, but its first trip into the water isn't wasted. The Z1 Pro is chock full of a lot of great hardware, including large spinning brush heads on the front and back that not only help it move, but also scrub the entire surface of the pool. And this includes the sides and water line. It can crawl all the way up the sides of the pool and even get up along steps or other different heights to ensure a comprehensive clean. In addition, the Z1 Pro also has laser sensors, infrared sensors, and time-of-flight technology that, paired with some exclusive algorithms and AI assistance, allows it to map and navigate almost any shape pool. It'll avoid objects like drains, hoses, floaties, ladders, toys, or other objects in the water, and it navigates along a direct and specific cleaning path, which allows for a thorough clean and full coverage. Within the Dreame app, there's actually 4 different cleaning modes you can choose from. Standard, which is a full clean of your entire pool, floor only, which is obviously just the bottom, walls only, and waterline focus. You can switch between them in the app or choose one of the cleaning modes on the robot itself before you drop it in the water. There's a mode select button and 4 indicator lights to show you which cleaning mode you've chosen. For my own pool, obviously, it needed a pretty comprehensive clean. Not only do I have a pretty noticeable layer of dirt and dust along the bottom, but there's tons of leaves and other debris scattered around, and a ton of buildup on the water line. It's really not great. But the Z1 Pro did a very noticeable job of cleaning everything up. In fact, you could literally see its cleaning path along the bottom of the pool, and you'll see in a second here, it also sucked up a ton of stuff. It's one thing to just take a pool net and skim the top of the water for some leaves, but it's another thing entirely to literally scrub the floor and walls of the pool. And that's what the Z1 Pro does here. And I think the difference is very noticeable. It's not just a mindless pool vacuum doing next to nothing each day as it crawls aimlessly around the bottom. It's actually actively scrubbing and cleaning and sucking up everything as it cruises along a very specific path. Its 4-hour runtime means it can clean a 2,600 square foot pool in one pass, which if you think about it, 4 hours of cleaning a single pool honestly is a lot of time, but if your pool is larger and it runs out of battery before completion, you can simply pop it on the charger, get it back up to 100%, and it'll pick up where it left off. Again, thanks to its PoolSense technology. Like I mentioned at the start, I also really like this charging setup. I know there's always a big concern with water and technology, but this magnetic connection is easily wipeable, so you can get it dry quickly and it can pop on and off easily. It's one of the best connection types I've seen for a product like this. What's also kind of fun is Dreame includes this Li-Fi remote, so you can literally control the Z1 Pro yourself and direct it to different spots, or have it circle back if you notice it missed something. I know this goes against the whole automation idea, but I always think this is a neat add-on for home robots like these. I should also mention that when it's all done with its tasks, it will come to the side of the pool itself and wait for you to grab it, which is super convenient. Or you can just hook it up to one of those pool poles if needed. When the Z1 Pro is all finished with its chores, you will have to dump out its collection bin. And as gross as this is, seeing everything it collected is also pretty cool because you know that it works and you also know that all this junk is no longer in your pool. Like I mentioned earlier, it can suck up a ton. Its large opening at the bottom is big enough for leaves, twigs, and other debris that always seem to blow into the pool. And I'm glad to see just how much it was able to collect after a couple of hours because there was a lot in my pool that needed cleaning. If it's up to me, I'll always have someone else or something else do my chores for me. And that's exactly why I like having Dreame's Z1 Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner in my backyard. Like I said, it's one thing to scoop up some leaves from time to time, but it's another to have to clean and scrub an entire pool and collect up all the leaves and dust and dirt around it. But the Z1 Pro does all of that for me and more. If you're ready to get your pool sparkling clean for the summertime, I would definitely recommend checking out the Dreame Z1 Pro. I think it's a great addition to the backyard. So there you go. Thankfully, my pool is sparkling clean now, so you all can come over for a backyard party. What do you guys think of the Z1 Pro? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, of course. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, though. Be sure to follow TechDaily on Twitter and subscribe to the TechDaily YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.